Welcome back to JD Wired. Today I will review the GKU 900 dash cam. Stay till to the end, I'll be showing some driving footage of this dash cam. The 900 dash cam front camera has a resolution of 4K at 60 frames per second. When used by itself, the higher frame rate captures fast-moving objects like license plates. When recording with both cameras, front and back, the resolution is 4K at 30 frames per second for the front camera and 2.5K for the rear camera. The GKU dash cam has a f1.8 aperture and a 6-glass lens. The camera also has a Sony Starvis sensor that can enable the car camera to capture clear, vivid image even in low light conditions. Then with its 2 megapixels and low power consumption design, it provides optimal performance both day and night. The front camera has a 170 degrees wide-angle lens and built-in HDR technology, which further enhances the nighttime clarity by balancing exposure and reducing glare from the headlights. The rear camera has a 150-degree wide-angle lens that will cover your blind spots. Then there is impact sensor, also known as G sensor. The impact sensor can be set to off, low, mid, or high. The impact sensor is triggered by a collision or shake, like potholes, speed bumps, or hard braking, which will automatically lock the current footage and will not be overridden by continuous recording. This will protect your video for evidence for any insurance claims. All files created by impact sensor cannot be overridden by continuous recording. This means every locked file takes space from your continuous recording. The only way to delete the impact lock files is by formatting your SD card. I'll put a link in the description below for more information on G-sensor and loop recording. These videos have value information for dashcam users. The GKU cam also offers a 24-hour parking mode. The parking monitor requires a hardwire kit to be installed into your vehicle. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. I will also put a link in the description for a step-by-step video on how to install the hardwire kit into your vehicle, saving you money from installation fees. There are 2 types of parking modes to choose from: G-sensor or time-lapse. The G-sensor parking mode activates recording upon detecting any impact while parked. The G-sensor is activated by a vibration caused by a crash. The dashcam will start recording the video and re-enter parking mode. You can set your dashcam parking mode G-sensor sensitivity to low, medium, or high. Time-lapse parking mode offers a continuous surveillance, providing a condensed overview of events during extended parking periods. Your video will play back at a faster rate. These features enable the dashcam to save drive space in your SD card. The GKU dashcam has a 5 GHz Wi-Fi to connect to your app. This app allows you to fully control your dashcam, including taking pictures, adjusting settings, previewing videos, downloading videos, and sharing footage directly from your dashcam to your smartphone. With the 5 GHz, you have a faster data transfer speed. The dashcam has a built-in GPS tracking that records the driving speed and GPS location while you drive. The GPS information will also be on your driving footage. The front camera rotates 340 degrees to capture the perfect angle, and the rear camera rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to position the lens exactly where you need them. The dashcam includes a free 64GB SD card to get you on the road and start recording. The maximum SD card for this dual dashcam is 512 GB. I recommend buying the maximum SD card for the dashcam. A larger SD card can give you peace of mind that you'll have over a week saved compared to just a few days. Just make sure to format the SD card the first time you use your dashcam, and at least once a month. Now let me show you some driving footage and you can see the camera put to work. Alright, so what'd you think? Is this the right dash cam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!